Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to look at Rex from Toy Story 1, 2, and 3. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is Rex in all his glory and a big fig from Beast Kingdom. MC-033. Some blocks and an original Nintendo controller. Rex's head comes off, his tail comes off, his body comes off the base, and the little cord comes off. If I remember correctly. I believe that's the way that thing disassembles. It's pretty big. See, we got width of 25 centimeters, a depth of 39 centimeters, a height of 33 centimeters. We have 199 of 3,000. Really is a cool figure. His head's kind of tilted up, so you don't really get to see his eyes. It's from a straight view. Not really from any view unless you're kind of above him. Just another great figure and another great paint job by Beast Kingdom Mastercraft, ladies and gentlemen. This guy's quite heavy too. It's not something you want to put on the glass shelves back there, that's for sure. So ladies and gentlemen, Toy Story, Rex, Mastercraft, Beast Kingdom, MC-033, hug someone you love.